This gentle rain permeates the rich orchard soil, delivering the nutrition vital for the new season's growth.
The logistics are precise. Thousands of tons of fruit arrive daily at this state-of-the-art facility.
Every morning, the Zizzy Juice factory comes alive, ready to deliver freshness across the nation.
Spanning over 10,000 square feet, this facility processes upwards of 100 tons of produce daily.
This is the hydrophobic effect in action. The water beads up, refusing to adhere to the waxy skin.
Here at the Zizzy sorting table, every apple is inspected by hand before it is packed for distribution.
Utilizing advanced machine vision, the system identifies imperfections in milliseconds, ensuring only the highest quality produce reaches the consumer.
The freshly cleaned apples begin their ascent, carried by the conveyor towards the stainless steel grinder, ensuring peak freshness. The apples are introduced to the pulverizer, where high-speed blades reduce the fruit to a coarse mash known as pomace.
As the enzymes are introduced, they catalyze the breakdown of complex carbohydrates, significantly reducing the viscosity of the mash. Is the pasteurization unit.
The complexity of these plate heat exchangers is essential for modern food production.
In the heart of the facility, the filling room operates under strict positive pressure, utilizing advanced HEPA technology for complete sterility.
This facility processes thousands of bottles every hour, a veritable river of gold flowing to markets worldwide. In a feat of engineering, the robotic arm precisely places 12 bottles of Zizzy juice into the carton.
The automated palletizer system ensures maximum efficiency, arranging each box with Tetris-like precision, optimizing warehouse space. With endless rows reaching the ceiling, the scale of the Zizzy operation is truly breathtaking.
Venting excess pressure is a necessary daily operation to ensure the safety of the plant. The steam
The culmination of design and logistics. Zizzy Juice, now arriving at its final destination.